colleagues. As we know today all of us are here to celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our country. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January because the Constitution of India came to the force on this day in 1950. This day reminds us of our freedom struggle and how the great freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to get us Purna Swaraj. Today is a day to reaffirm our commitments to unity in diversity, fraternity and equality among all our citizens. I hope that no matter who we are, a rich or poor, a powerful politician or a regular citizen, we continue to respect all these basic principles and values given to us by our amazing constitution. Although we have seen lot of economic improvements and success as a country, we still have many hurdles in our paths, such as poverty, unemployment, pollution, and it is our duty as a citizen to face all these challenges and come out stronger on the other side. So one thing we all can do is to promise each other we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could continue to solving all these problems and making our nation a better place. Be the change you want to see in this world. Be the change you want to see in this world. Feel proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. First of all, I would like to say thanks to our respected director sir and principal sir to give me this opportunity. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Republic Day. Republic Day is an important day to every Indian because in the year of 1950, our constitution came into the effect. Our constitution provides us many rights and responsibility too. Today we remind us our struggle, freedom and how our freedom fighters get sacrificed their lives to get the Purna Swaraj. Now we all are living in our democratic country where each citizen have a right to select their leader. Our constitution provide following rights: right to equality, right of freedom, right against exploitation, constitutional and remedies, educational and cultural rights. Now I would like to wind up my words. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
न जियो धर्म के नाम पर, न मरो धर्म के नाम पर, इंसानियत ही है धर्म वतन का, बस जियो वतन के नाम पर। मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण, माननीय प्रबंधक महोदय एवं प्यारे मित्रों और समस्त देशवासियों, आप सभी को 73वें गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज इस दिन यानी 26 जनवरी 1950 को हमारे देश का संविधान लागू हुआ था। इस संविधान की वजह से ही आज हमारा देश पूर्ण गणतंत्र है। गणतंत्र का अर्थ होता है जनता द्वारा जनता का शासन। यदि इसका हिंदी रूप समझें तो गण का अर्थ होता है लोग और तंत्र का अर्थ होता है सिस्टम, यानी लोगों का सिस्टम। इस दिन 26 जनवरी को पूरे देश में बड़े हर्षोल्लास और पूरी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। विद्यार्थी भी विद्यालय, स्कूल, कॉलेजों में बड़े उत्साह और धूमधाम के साथ इस पर्व को मनाते हैं। 26 जनवरी अवसर है हमारे जांबाज सिपाहियों को याद करने का, अवसर है देश पर शहीद हुए उन नौजवान सिपाहियों का, अवसर है सीना तान कर खड़े रहने का और गर्व से जनगण मन गाने का। अंत में मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, भारत माता सबसे प्यारी, सबसे ऊंची इसकी शान, गणतंत्र दिवस पर शीश झुकाकर हम करते हैं इसे प्रणाम। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
This is Akash from Real International School, Mathura. Today on the auspicious day of 73rd Republic Day, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. On the occasion of Republic Day, I would like to share a few words about the Republic Day. Today we are celebrating the 73rd Republic Day and we have been celebrating the Republic Day since 1950. The Constitution of India came into force in 1950. The Constitution was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar along with the committee members and we should also remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, as they have done a great heroic deeds. I would like to give advice to all the students also. Please read the summary of the Constitution, as you are the future generation. We are living happily in our society without any pressure, and all the credit goes to the brave soldiers and the great freedom fighters, as they have sacrificed their life for us. So we should also remember them. And at the last, we should be a responsible citizen towards our country, and we should take major steps for the country's development and progress. And on this auspicious day, let us think beyond the color, caste, sex, religion, ratio, as we all are having the same feelings and same emotions towards our loving country India. At the last, I would like to say a very happy 73rd Republic Day from the entire Real International family. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.